In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import XML data into Microsoft Excel 2019. So whether you're working with complex data structures or just trying to keep your information organized, importing XML data can be a straightforward process once you know how. Let's start by opening up Microsoft Excel 2019. With your Excel worksheet open, you'll want to direct your attention to the ribbon at the top of the screen. The ribbon is where most of your tools and options live, and for this task, we'll be focusing on the Data tab. If you haven't navigated here before, just locate the word Data along the top bar and click on it. Once you're in the Data tab, the next step is to locate the Get Data command. This option is generally on the left side of the Data tab and will open a drop-down list when you click it. It's your gateway to various data sources that Excel can pull from, and for today we want to focus on bringing in data from a file. Hover your cursor over From File. This will bring up another menu with several options. Here, look for From XML and give it a click. A file browser window will pop open on your screen. This is where you'll need to locate the XML file that you're planning to work with. Typically, your files will be stored on your computer or perhaps on a network drive. Navigate through your files, find your XML data file. Remember, this should have a .xml extension. And once you've found it, click on it to select it and then click on the Import button. The importing process will initiate, and soon you'll see a new window appear on your screen, the Navigator window. The Navigator window serves as a preview area for your XML data. Here, you'll get a glimpse of the various data tables and lists available for import. Take a moment to examine the options displayed. You should see your XML data broken down into different tables on the left pane. You'll want to select the table that contains the data you're interested in importing. As you click around, you'll notice a preview of the data will appear in the right pane. This can be very helpful to confirm that you've selected the correct data set. After you've confirmed your selection in the Navigator window, the final step is to bring that data into your Excel worksheet. Look towards the bottom of the window and click on the Load button. Excel will go to work, importing your data smoothly into a new worksheet. The software takes care of the formatting for you, neatly inserting the imported data into a structured table format. And there you have it. With these steps, your XML data is now beautifully displayed in Excel, ready for further analysis or sharing. Remember, once you've successfully imported your data, you have access to all of Excel's powerful tools to slice, dice, and present your information just the way you like it. Thank you for tuning in today, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful Excel tips and tricks.